Have you ever heard of a cryptocurrency that claims to be the fastest and most private on the market? Well, that's exactly what Beam is. But is it all it's cracked up to be? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the crypto community. We'll explore its unique features, how it works, and whether it's worth considering as an investment. What is Beam? Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble, a cryptographic protocol designed to enhance privacy and scalability. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which use a public blockchain, Beam's blockchain is shielded, meaning that transaction details are hidden from public view. Key features of Beam. Privacy. Beam's shielded transactions ensure that your financial data remains private. No one can see who sent or received funds, or the amount involved. Speed. Beam boasts lightning-fast transaction times, making it ideal for those who need quick and efficient payments. Scalability. The Mimblewimble protocol allows Beam to handle a high volume of transactions without sacrificing performance. Security. Beam uses a proof-of-work consensus mechanism, similar to Bitcoin, to secure its network and prevent fraudulent activities. How does Beam work? Beam's underlying technology, Mimblewimble, works by combining transaction data into a single, compressed block. This makes it difficult for anyone to analyze individual transactions, preserving privacy. Additionally, Beam uses a technique called confidential transactions to encrypt the value of transactions, further protecting user privacy. Is Beam a good investment? Whether Beam is a good investment depends on your individual risk tolerance and investment goals. While its privacy features and fast transaction times are attractive, it's important to consider the potential volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Here are some factors to consider. Market cap. Beam's market capitalization is relatively small compared to established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. This can make it more susceptible to price fluctuations. Adoption. The widespread adoption of Beam is crucial for its long-term success. If more businesses and individuals start accepting Beam, its value is likely to increase. Technology. Beam's underlying technology, Mimblewimble, has the potential to revolutionize the cryptocurrency space. However, it's important to monitor developments in this area and assess whether Beam remains at the forefront. Beam is a promising cryptocurrency with unique features that cater to privacy-conscious individuals and those who value fast transactions. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider the risks involved before investing in Beam or any other cryptocurrency. If you're interested in learning more about Beam or exploring other privacy-focused cryptocurrencies, be sure to subscribe to our channel for future updates and in-depth analyses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.